The supermarket Obby. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Hey, the manager is good, man. The shop isn't getting enough sales, so he locked all the customers in. Oh, what a horrible manager. Oh, sorry. Oh, I forgot this. I'm going to do a challenge that I made up in Roblox, and I did like this, like what do you call this? Step the checkpoint when you play 5 stages, like finish, like step on a checkpoint at least like a time, like what do you call this? Like you step a checkpoint only when you play the 5 levels already. Like you pass the 5 levels, you can check the step the checkpoint. So yeah, you understand me? I think. Oh, I'm speaking nonsense now. Okay. What? Oh, cornflakes! I love cornflakes. Oh, Lucky Charms. Oh, yes. I'm not going to step that. I'm scared I'm going to die. Yes, without dying. I need to go on level 5 first. This is level 3. I need to. Oh, jeez. This is. Oh, I'm going to die. Oh, no. I'm scared. Yes, without dying. Oh, no. Level 4. Then on the next stage, I'll step on the checkpoint. So, oh. So how do we do this? What? Wait, what? Oh, I nearly died. Oh no, if I die, I'm getting in trouble. Okay, I'm bored. I'm so bored. Oh, so leave this shop if you're bored. I want to go home. Leave this shop if you're bored. So, yep, the manager's mad. I am hungry. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, wait. What? 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 Wait, what? I'm confused. Oh, you can't do that. You need to step every checkpoint. Oh. What the? Oh, no. Jesus. No. Oh, no. Jesus. Oh my gosh, you need to step a single checkpoint on every stage. Oh no. Oh, this is worse. Oh, go through the jungle gym. Let's go. Oh, you can step. Oh, that's okay. Good. No bad. Oh, that does not stand out English. So where do we go? Oh, here. Oh, can we? Okay, we can touch this. So okay, not bad. Oh, I love this. Can we touch this? Oh, so good. This is cool. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so I'm out of the jungle gym. Let's go. Oh, do not die, or else I'll go in the beginning. Ugh. And that is worse. Wait, okay. I'm going to make the face cam more bigger. I think I can. Do I? No. Wait, I can? Wait, I can? I can or not? Okay, I can't make the face cam bigger, so yeah. Oh yeah. Let's. Do you guys ever read Horrid Henry? It's like my most like favorite. What do you call this? Favorite cartoon. Yeah, it's my most favorite cartoon in this world. Oh, Finn. Let's go through the bookstore. Okay, I'm just still on level 1. Scary. What? Is this a maze? Seriously? Okay, I'm I'm trapped. Oh, Jesus. A maze. What the heck? Oh no, this is so confusing. Oh no. Oh. Oh wait, what? Oh wait, what? Oh wait, what? Wait, it's lagging. Huh? What? Where do I go? I'm stuck. Stuck. Wait, did he say anything? Any hints? Because I need some hints. Let's go through the book. Sorry, now we can give us a hint. Oh, so what do we do? Oh. Bookstore. How can I do this? This is hard. This is definitely hard. Oh, rubbish. This is rubbish. Okay. Now go through. Can we go through over here? Over here? Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Seriously, I'm trapped. Oh, seriously, I'm trapped. I can't. Shop sale. What do you want, huh? Yes. I need some. I hate spending some Robux. I really hate. Oh, I really hate spending some Robux. Oh. Welcome to the shop. Oh no! I think I need to stop the video. I don't have anywhere to go. So, as I say on the last video, this Saturday, 3 a.m., we're going to make a video. I think I'm scared a little bit of 3 a.m. I'm scared of ghosts. I'm going to try with Tatsu and Pan Pan. And shoutouts to Takeda Takashi. It's Tatsu's channel. You can watch. And Pro Gamer Picture also. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye! I hope you subscribe to her. And hit the bell sign. It means notification. So, bye!